Today's challenge is to make eggnog pudding. I think eggnog is fabulous, so do most people. I think that the biggest complaint that people have about it is that it's not thick enough. So that's why we're gonna make pudding, make it even thicker, following an actual recipe. I didn't make this one up, and this is how you do it. Start with a pan and some stuff. 100 grams of sugar, 32 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it all together. Whisked. 2 cups of eggnog. Two cups of whole milk. Whisk it all together again. Over medium heat, cook and whisk constantly for 12 minutes. Okay, it's been 19 minutes, so maybe the heat was a little low, but it's now thick and bubbling all over, or boiling, as we say in the kitchen biz. So I turn off the heat and add 4 tablespoons of butter while whisking. And they all made it in there. It looks all dissolved to me. I'm not sure if butter floats in eggnog or not, but I don't see any, I don't feel any. Get my Rubbermaid 1962. Okay, now while it's still hot, we're going to take cling wrap and press it on to the surface of the pudding. Because even though this is a New York recipe, we don't want any pudding skins. Now we transfer to the fridge to let it cool overnight and turn into pudding. It has been overnight. Let's see if we've achieved pudding. The top looks exactly how it looked before the saran wrap came off. Got a good wiggle. I would say that's pudding. So that part of the challenge is complete. But obviously the next question is it good? And I will be the judge of that. Well, I'll be one of the judges of that. I think it tastes really good. I don't think the added nutmeg was needed.
Yeah, it just tastes like nutmeg.
A little bit extra nutmeg for the texture of it, really good.
Mm-hmm.
That's 2 thumbs up. I recommend you putting your eggnog in the future. Challenge complete.